Hello guys, this is Elle from Eleftheria Business PR. Hello there, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're well. Thank you very much for your like, for your comments, and thank you for subscribing to my channel. And we are back for a couple of Pinterest ads for tips for your Etsy shop. So remember that we are here every Thursday present. So every Thursday I upload new videos. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and you don't miss a thing. Now, today I will share a couple of tips to you for those who have Etsy shop or any Shopify shop, how to increase the sale and make sure they close the sale using Pinterest ads. So first of all, as I said, that decide what you want and then monetize accordingly so you can close more sales, increase traffic, and close more sales. Remember that we have to have a strategy on how to build your brand, increase brand awareness, but we monetize with the Pinterest ads in order to get more sales. So a couple of tips, as we said, look into your target audience, interests, and make sure, guys, to work with what you have. Again, make sure to work with the data you have from your Etsy shop. What you collected? What is who are your target audience, and use that to your advantage. For example, reach new clients on the specific interest. So we go and create an ad based on specific interest. So for example, inside Pinterest manager ad, you have a target, a group of people inside the ads, which is like over 6,000 different interest categories that for you to use to your advantage. So this is something that you need to keep in mind, and you need to play with it, use it, and also use your own data. What did you collect from your traffic? You know what I mean. That's what I mean. Your own data. So you can have a different target available for you to choose inside. So this is a couple of tips. Remember that we are always talking about the images, as you can see here, the description and everything, right? So we following a sales funnel to your Etsy shop to close the sale. And I say that again, you make 10K and that's it. Make sure you make 10K a month. That is your target. So this is your target. So how are you going to get there? There are steps, and we're changing. For example, I have this only one ad at present, but as you understand, I see what is working, and then I add more or I create more. Remember what I said, that we keep an eye on what's working for you or for me or whatever. So make sure you are creating a different sales funnels to choose for your Etsy shop with relevant content. For example, if you do keyword targeting, make sure your pin is a target match for those who are looking for your product and services. Do you understand what I'm saying? So you make sure your pin is a target match for those who are looking for your products and services, rather than, too general or too broad. So it has to be very specific. You need to be targeting in order to close more sales. But remember, you will get more clicks on this specific targeting. People that don't know about it, people that money, they say, oh, I cannot do it. The algorithm this, the algorithm that. No, you can get more clicks on this specific targeting. And this is what I sell, what I share inside my Pinterest ads course. And there are the secret strategies inside the course, and I share some of them in in the free course. You can sign up for it. The link is below, so you can learn and you can contact or connect with me to the social media. So you need to have, to create a pin, to have pins to drive traffic and close the sale. This is what we say. If you expand your your targeting inside your ads, and you need to know how to do this, then you need to, speaking of the pin, you need to remember the description of the title, the object of the image, the user engagements, generally the user's engagement. You need to use those tips to your advantage. So when you're expanding your targeting, there are a couple of things you need to remember. Also, the performance of the ad. Inside my course, I talk about it. Guys, the performance is very, very important. So this is something that you need to learn inside the course. So when you're expanding the targeting, like the impressions, and maybe you need to, you pay attention to the whole thing, to every sales funnel. I remember that you need to create a very strong call to action in order to improve your conversions and make more sales. That is for your Etsy shop. Again, remember what products you're selling. As I say, keep relevant, creating relevant pins in order, for the Pinterest users to find you based on what is your products and services, what you're selling. So this is something, or whatever, it's a home decor or Christmas decor or whatever. So you know what I mean. So make a strong call to action and create a strong sales funnel that will convert to more customers. And remember that Pinterest is adding new things every day. The conversions inside we have here. We have the videos, the trends, everything, things that changing, make it easy for us. So it shouldn't be a problem. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you very much. And I wish you well. Enjoy, have fun. Don't forget that you always need to have some fun. And, because life is fast and we have to enjoy. So have a lovely day.